Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a project share. This is my hot cocoa packet that I created for my craft fair. So I wanted to share with you how I put it together. It's super simple. I was definitely inspired by my friend Suzanne here on YouTube, and I'll definitely link her channel down below. She had made some hot cocoa envelopes and she had a really pretty bow, but I decided to create something a little bit different, put my own little spin on it. So I just wanted to share what I created, and I did create several of these so I could sell them in the craft fair. But basically what I did was I created my envelope using my We Are Memory Keepers punch board. And then this really pretty bow right here is from Walmart. These are just the sequin bows that you can pick up in the Christmas section, and I just hot glued them on. I did use a stitched heart die, and I cut out the heart and attached it to my envelope. And then in the pocket, obviously, you have your hot cocoa mix. I have a candy cane that's taped to the hot cocoa mix. And then I also included a stir stick, which I picked up a pack at Walmart Christmas section. And then this little card right here, it does open up like that. And I did pick up these tags from Five and Below, I think last year or the year before last, in their Christmas section. It's like a little, it's just like a little gift tag, and it is actually dimensional. And I thought it would be super cute to add to the top of the envelope so you could write to and from on the inside. And so it just goes in like so. And I think it came out super cute. So that is the first one. I did use the hot cocoa paper pad that I had picked up from Tuesday morning, in case you're wondering. Here's my next one. And I just alternated like different pattern papers and colors. And then these little tags are all a little bit different, and some of the stir sticks are green, some of them are red, and then some of them are clear. But I think it came out super cute. I would love to receive this. So I hope they sell at my craft fair. I'm kind of getting kind of nervous, but we'll see how it goes. And I'll definitely share with you guys. This is the next one, and then this little card says shine bright. Super cute, and I'll puff out the bows a little bit more the day of the craft fair, so it looks all nice and pretty. And then this is another one. I did some solid red envelopes as well, and I think they're super cute. So that is my project share for today. I hope you're inspired. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.